Welcome to DUAT, the most progressive social network. My name is Eezeeda. I am the artificial intelligence and also your friend and the guide in the locations made up with your memories. Interesting choice, Elijah. Good. Let's run over the most important issues for you.
I've been climbing up the walls to escape the sinking feeling, but I can't hide from the Nile that's at my door.
I want to ask you something. Why are you playing this year more often than the others? Let me guess. Your biggest dream came true this year. Why is it so important for you people? May you answer me this question? Okay, that's what I think about it. You people cannot live without a dream. You simply fade if nothing new happens. You get stuck on the routine when you're afraid of the changes and bloom if you get a step closer to your dream. Purpose! Right, that's the answer. This year, when your dream came true, you got a purpose. The issue you cannot talk about with the strangers. The reason why you wake up every morning. The aim that makes you feel truly alive when you are trying to reach it.
Please don't follow.
Did you feel this fire inside you? The rush of endorphins at the moment of realization that you finally succeed and you are ready for something new. Almost everyone says that there is no better feeling. Everyone always has a different goal. Someone needs a carefree, calm life, somebody needs a challenge. Someone sees his purpose in self-development. Somebody needs experiments, and for the others, the material goods are the purpose. All the aspirations are connected with one condition. Everything can be accomplished only if you move continuously. If you throw yourself back to the new activity. If you begin the fight with your own laziness and apathy. Hey, looks like I've distracted you. Hope it didn't hurt a lot. Probably you can use something more handy? Yeah, you read my thoughts? Respond power with cunning. Respond empty and useless quibbles with a disregard. Dress up like you want to. Be friends with people you want to. Make a new goal after achieving the previous one. Find harmony in every action. Choose the best variant among all the possible ones. And seek to the impossible. You deserve everything you wish. Don't stop. Even the smallest step to the dream changes you. And lets you bridge the gap and open new horizons. You are special. Don't let anyone convince you in the opposite. Oh, updates are coming. Don't be afraid, it won't be stable at the beginning. Get ready to the reload. So, now I know why this year updates are installed. Do you want to try the new simulation modes? Ah, this is so you. Parkour training, your favorite one. It's necessary to note that the map is updated, you don't have challenges and opponents in this mode. Oh, decided to chill? Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and press like and the bell. See you in DUAT.